Trail. This is only for my niggas that I ride with. I'm quite sure that's how we see this shit. This shit every day, every day. They tryna plot on me, getting me killed in the field. Murder one got them a deal. Being sneaky and mischievous to get you a couple of bills. Even if you a bystander, you will still get killed. Pulling triggers cause the fakes don't match in with the real. So they doing anything just to get a deal. It's crazy how your friends will get you jammed up. And when it end up, they say, yo, bag up. But it turned out they were setting you up, getting you cracked up and smacked up. Looked at you and bagged up. What BS was they really on? They called me lacking, so I made that phone call home. Grabbing the 47, ripping through the bone. I'm a peacekeeper even though I'm doing wrong. Cause I'm a rap for my niggas and my guys that I hang with. Fuck around and get your ass extinguished. Do this for real, so we gonna keep it real. And if those dudes run up, then we gonna get them paralyzed just to dress to kill.